Question 19, Part A. Work out 2 1/7 plus 1 1/4. Now the easiest way of doing this, and there are quite a few ways of doing this, but the easiest way when you're adding is just to add the whole numbers. 2 whole ones plus another whole one will be 3 whole ones. I just need to not forget about this at the end to make sure I add it in. Now I'm left with a 7th plus a quarter. I can only add fractions if the number on the bottom is the same. I know that 7 and 4 both go into 28. So I'm going to put 28 as the number on the bottom of the fraction. I times 7 by 4 to get to 28, so I need to times this top number here by 4, and 1 times 4 is obviously 4. If it had been a 2, then I would have done 2 times 4 and would have put 8 here. I multiplied this 4 by 7 to get to 28, so now I've got to multiply the top number, which is 1 again, by 7, and 1 times 7 is 7. Now 4 over 28 and 1 over 7 are equivalent, they're the same fraction, as is a quarter and 7/28. Now that the number on the bottom is the same, I can add the numbers on the top, which gives me 11 over 28. Don't forget about the whole ones, so I've got 3 whole ones and 11/28. Part B, work out 1 1/5 divided by 3/4. Give your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. So a mixed number is a whole number with a fraction. So if I don't get a whole number and a fraction, I probably made a mistake somewhere. Now when you're dividing, the quickest way to do it is to change the number you're dividing by flipping it or inverting it, turning upside down. So 3/4 becomes 4 over 3, and the divide can become a times. This number here I need to make top heavy, or else it's really difficult to divide by. So this whole one is 5/5. Imagine a whole pizza cut into fifths, and we've picked fifth because there's 5 on the bottom of the fraction. 5/5 plus that one will be 6/5. I can I can simplify diagonally before I start multiplying, but it's probably not going to matter whether I do that or not. 6 times 4 is 24. 5 times 3 is 15. Well, if I had 15/15, I'd have a whole one, and then there's 9/15 left, because 15 plus 9 will give me 24. 9 and 15 are both in the 3 times table, so I can divide both of them by 3 to get 1 3/5, which is a mixed number in its simplest form. Don't forget, if you're finding these videos useful, please subscribe.